In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in ChatGPT. If you like a softer look that's easier on your eyes, especially at night, or you just prefer a sleek interface, switching to dark mode only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly with a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ChatGPT. You can also type the official address directly if you know it, but a quick search works fine. What matters is that you land on the legitimate ChatGPT website from OpenAI. Next, click the correct result. Look for the official domain and avoid lookalike links or ads that don't point to OpenAI. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back here quickly in the future. Once the page loads, sign into your ChatGPT account. Use your usual login method, whether that's email and password or a trusted sign-in provider. If you have extra security enabled, complete that verification. When you reach the ChatGPT home screen, you're ready for the appearance change. Now, find your profile area. Depending on your interface version and screen size, this may appear as your name or a small profile icon. It's commonly located at the bottom left on desktop, but in some layouts it may be at the top right. Click it to open the account menu. If you're on a smaller window or using a mobile browser, you may first need to open a menu to see your profile. From that menu, select Settings. In certain versions, you might see a gear icon or a label like Settings in Beta. Either way, you're looking for the section where you can adjust how ChatGPT behaves and looks. Inside Settings, locate the Appearance option. This is typically a drop-down menu or a set of theme choices. Click Appearance and select Dark. The interface should switch immediately, updating the background and text colors for a comfortable, low-glare view. If you ever change your mind, you can return here and choose Light, or select a system option if available to match your device's theme automatically. That's it. Your ChatGPT is now in dark mode. If you don't see the appearance setting right away, try expanding the window, switching to the latest version of the app or site, or refreshing the page. And remember, if you use ChatGPT on multiple devices, you may need to set your theme on each one. Enjoy the new look and happy chatting.